Alright, so, hello YouTube, so I'm gonna come back in. Welcome back to another bracelet video. In this video, I just got a couple of things I want to show you. So, here's another little bracelet kit that my parents got me. It's like a pirate one. And hopefully I have enough rubber bands, because I also have these beads that my mom gave me. So we're gonna try and focus on both, but we are gonna open up this one. So, I guess you could say it's like a bracelet kit unboxing. So yeah. Which I don't think I've done that on this channel yet, so yeah. But anyways, hope you guys are doing well. I know I am. I'll see. I would have to find some elastic. I'm probably gonna keep the bag, but this one here is like a pirate one, like one of them here has like a little charm. Oh shit, it went in my bin here. He's like a little pirate. Sticky finger, no, butter fingers. Okay, I found the pirate one. A little spider in there, nice. I do get creepy. Okay, here's the pirate one. I may actually use the rubber band for these. And I don't have these in a bracelet, so I'll keep the rubber band. I'll put these beads away. And it comes like with like a clothespin for some reason too. I don't know why. So let me just get these back in. I'll probably do another top 10 favorite non-rubber bracelets. So definitely look out for that video too. I'll probably I'm like just making a mess with the beads. Better get them all up before I vacuum. but yeah, to let you guys know, we are at 567 subscribers, so we're really on the road to 600. So let's try and get there. And I will definitely try and pump out as many videos as I can. Just trying to clean up all the beads. I don't want these ending up in the vacuum cleaner when I vacuum my room. So yeah. I think that's all over my. Oh, nope, here's one. See, these things like get buried in there. So yeah, that's what this kit looked like a pirate one. So I can definitely do something with this in the future. And actually, if you guys did not see the latest video, I reviewed my rainbow balloon bracelets. So yeah. So I put these back. Yeah, I do like to make bracelet. I found another bead. It's probably, I should have actually did this on my desk. But these I can just dump out with no problem. They are stars. So yeah. So let's see. Put them in like this. Or I can maybe combine those with these. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna put them on randomly. I don't. So yeah. I like to make these. And I should actually maybe do like, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll do a top 20 favorite rainbow balloon bracelet videos too. Or videos. Bracelets. Yep. Love the color of this one. What's up with the lighting? Love the color of this. It's like a pinkish purple kind of color. don't want to make this too big or too small. So let's see. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use all these, but we'll see. Probably not. Whatever I don't use, I can just put it in that pack there. I need more of the green and silver. Oh yeah. But yeah, like I said, we are at 567 subscribers, so let's try and get there, people. Road to 600. Well, but I believe we can do it. I believe we can. Put some more blue in here. Let me just see how that would look. Well, I can probably make that a little big. I can probably put more beads on that. So yeah. I like to make these types of bracelets. They are fun. That may actually be big enough, I think. We'll see. It's the fun part, trying to tie it up. I mean it'll stretch, luckily, but we'll put a couple more on. Do like one of each left. And these were the leftover beads that my mom had, so. Yeah. Alright, and that one should be good to go. That should be good enough. That's a little too big, but hold on. Oh. Well, that happened. Looks like I'm gonna need to start all over here. I'm gonna pause this for you guys. Hold on. Well, here it is. This is what the bracelet looks like. I probably could have made it a little bit bigger, but I didn't. Luckily this stuff is like elastic, so. And that's what it looks like on my arm. So yeah. So yeah, so I'll just upload this video for you guys, and I will talk to you in the next video, which will probably be a top 20 favorite rain balloon bracelet. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys a little later. Bye, my hair's a mess.